This is 6 minutes a day keeps you a good sense of English EP 15. Today's topic, beneath the azure veil. Today's speaker. Chad has an American accent. In the heart of the South Pacific, where the ocean's embrace was an endless horizon of cerulean, lived a woman named Mia. Born with an insatiable curiosity for the unknown depths, Mia's heart belonged to the ocean. As a free diver, she embarked on a journey that transcended the surface, revealing the secrets concealed beneath the azure veil. Chapter 1: The Call of the Abyss. Mia, a free spirit with an unyielding love for the sea, found herself drawn to the allure of free diving. Beneath the surface, where sunlight transformed into ethereal rays, lay a world of untold wonders waiting to be discovered. The rhythmic melody of waves crashing against the shore became a call, urging Mia to explore the mysteries of the ocean's depths. Equipped with a wetsuit, fins, and a deep breath, Mia submerged into the boundless blue. The initial chill of the water gave way to a weightless freedom as she descended, leaving the chaotic world above for the serene tranquility below. Chapter 2: The Dance of Sunlight. As Mia ventured deeper, the sunlight filtered through the water, casting enchanting patterns on the ocean floor. Rays of gold illuminated vibrant coral gardens, transforming the underwater landscape into a living tapestry of color. Schools of tropical fish darted through the coral, their iridescent scales glinting like gemstones in the liquid sunlight. Mia marveled at the intricate dance of sunlight beneath the surface, a mesmerizing spectacle that unfolded with each stroke of her fins. The ocean, once a mysterious expanse, revealed its hidden beauty as Mia became one with the ebb and flow of the underwater world. Chapter 3: The Whispering Reefs. As Mia explored the coral reefs, she discovered that the ocean spoke in gentle whispers. The coral, with its ancient wisdom, shared stories of resilience and adaptation. Mia moved gracefully, mindful of her surroundings, as if engaging in a silent conversation with the underwater realm. Vividly colored sea anemones swayed in the ocean currents, offering a refuge for clownfish that danced around their tentacles. Mia marveled at the intricate symbiosis between the marine life, a delicate balance that echoed the interconnectedness of all living things beneath the surface. Chapter 4: Encounter with the Titans. In the deep blue abyss, Mia encountered the ocean's gentle giants, majestic whales. Their haunting melodies reverberated through the water, creating a symphony that resonated with the very essence of the ocean. Mia, suspended in the water, witnessed these magnificent creatures gliding effortlessly, their sheer size contrasting with the weightless grace of her own movements. The whales, seemingly aware of Mia's presence, approached her with a curiosity that transcended the boundaries of species. The encounter left Mia in awe, realizing that the ocean was not merely a backdrop for her adventures but a living, breathing entity that embraced her as part of its grand tapestry. Chapter 5: The Depths of Self-Discovery. With each free dive, Mia discovered not only the secrets of the ocean but also the depths of her own resilience. As she pushed the boundaries of her breath-holding capabilities, she found solace in the silence beneath the waves. The ocean became a mirror reflecting her own strength, and each descent into the abyss was a journey of self-discovery. Mia's lung capacity increased, and her ability to navigate the underwater realm became an intricate dance of mindfulness and skill. The ocean, once an uncharted frontier, became a canvas for Mia to paint her own story, a story of empowerment, connection, and a profound love for the sea. Chapter 6: The Abyss Beckons. In the midst of Mia's free diving odyssey, a fabled underwater abyss known as the Midnight Trench called to her. Whispers of its mysterious depths and elusive marine life reached her ears, sparking a sense of both trepidation and fascination. Mia, drawn by an insatiable curiosity, embarked on a journey that would push her limits and redefine the boundaries of her underwater world. The midnight trench, a chasm that plunged into the ocean's deepest realms, was a world of perpetual darkness. Mia's descent into the abyss was both thrilling and unnerving, the inky blackness surrounding her like a cosmic cloak. Yet, as her eyes adjusted, bioluminescent creatures illuminated the depths, creating an otherworldly spectacle that defied imagination. Chapter 7: The Ephemeral Dance. In the midnight trench, Mia encountered an array of ethereal creatures, translucent jellyfish, glowing squids, and elusive anglerfish with their mesmerizing bioluminescent lures. The creatures, adapted to the darkness, performed a dance of luminescence that seemed to defy the laws of the known world. Mia, captivated by the ephemeral beauty of the abyss, moved through the inky expanse with a grace that mirrored the dance of the marine life around her. The midnight trench, once a realm of mystery, became an ethereal stage where the boundaries between reality and fantasy blurred into a seamless aquatic dreamscape. Chapter 8: The Emergence from the Depths. As Mia ascended from the abyss, her heart brimming with the wonder of the midnight trench, she emerged into the familiar embrace of the ocean's surface. The sun's rays filtered through the water, creating a luminous halo around her as she breached the surface. Mia's lungs, craving the touch of air, welcomed the oxygen-rich atmosphere with gratitude. The journey into the abyss had left an indelible mark on Mia's soul. The midnight trench, with its enigmatic beauty and elusive inhabitants, had become a part of her, an experience that transcended the limits of words. Mia, now both explorer and storyteller, surfaced with a profound appreciation for the ocean's mysteries and the boundless possibilities that lay beneath the azure veil. Chapter 9: Legacy of the Depths. Back on land, Mia shared her tales of free diving, from the sun-kissed coral reefs to the otherworldly midnight trench. Her stories ignited a spark in the hearts of fellow adventurers, kindling a newfound love for the ocean and a shared responsibility to protect its delicate ecosystems. Mia's legacy extended beyond her personal journey. It became a ripple that touched the lives of those who heard her tales. The ocean, once a distant and mysterious expanse, became a shared sanctuary, uniting explorers in their quest to preserve its beauty for generations to come. And so, in the heart of the South Pacific, where the ocean's embrace remained an endless horizon of cerulean, Mia's legacy lived on, a testament to the transformative power of free diving and the boundless wonders that awaited those willing to venture beneath the azure veil. Chapter 10: Guardians of the Deep. Mia's journey continued beyond her personal exploration. Fueled by her deep connection with the ocean, she became an advocate for marine conservation. With a group of like-minded individuals, Mia founded Guardians of the Deep, a non-profit organization dedicated to protecting and preserving the ocean's delicate ecosystems. The organization focused on raising awareness about the importance of marine conservation, organizing cleanup initiatives to remove plastic waste from the ocean, and collaborating with scientists to study and protect vulnerable marine species. Mia's passion for the ocean inspired a growing community of ocean lovers, creating a ripple effect that reached far beyond the shores of the South Pacific. Chapter 11: The Symphony of the Sea. In the midst of her conservation efforts, Mia discovered a new way to share the beauty of the ocean with the world. Collaborating with musicians, artists, and filmmakers, she orchestrated a groundbreaking project, the Symphony of the Sea. This multimedia experience combined mesmerizing underwater visuals, the haunting melodies of marine life, and the rhythmic heartbeat of the ocean, creating an immersive journey into the depths. The Symphony of the Sea became a captivating ode to the ocean, captivating audiences worldwide. It not only showcased the breathtaking beauty of underwater worlds but also served as a poignant reminder of the urgent need to protect and preserve the fragile ecosystems that Mia held so dear. Chapter 12: A Watery Legacy. As Mia gracefully navigated the currents of life, she realized that her legacy extended beyond the boundaries of the ocean. Through her organization's initiatives, educational programs, and multimedia projects, Mia's influence reached global proportions. Her watery legacy became a beacon of hope, inspiring people to see the ocean not merely as a distant expanse but as a living, breathing entity deserving of reverence and protection. The underwater world, once a realm of personal exploration, had transformed into a shared legacy, a legacy that echoed in the laughter of children learning about marine life, in the efforts of volunteers cleaning up beaches, and in the collective heartbeat of those who vowed to be stewards of the deep. And so, in the heart of the South Pacific, where the ocean's embrace remained an endless horizon of cerulean, Mia's watery legacy continued, a legacy that celebrated the beauty of the underwater realm and reminded humanity of its responsibility to safeguard the oceans for generations to come. The azure veil, once a curtain of mystery, now danced with the promise of a shared commitment to the depths. Thanks for your watching. Have a good day. If you don't want to miss the next video, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell. The vocabulary in today's video are blocked in the description. You are welcome to download and review. Keep practicing, and you will get the results you deserve.